Welcome to R2, a channel for those wanting to make money from their art online. In today's video, we're discussing driving traffic to your Redbubble artist shop. There are many ways to promote your Redbubble store, but the most important one is often the most ignored. This method takes just 5 to 10 minutes, but then your designs will sell passively forever. What is this magic method? When it comes to marketing their products, most Redbubble sellers don't think SEO is that important. They just write whatever title, description, and tags come to mind. However, using the right words in these areas can help your product be found by more people online. One way to find the right keywords is to use Google Adwords Keyword Plan. This tool lets you see how many people are searching for a particular keyword each month. You can also see how competitive that keyword is and what other related keywords you could use. Another way to find keywords is to look at what your competitors are using. See what words and phrases they are targeting in their titles and descriptions. This can give you some ideas of which keywords to target yourself. You've probably heard that promoting your work on social media is a great way to sell more products, and it is for a while, but eventually people's attention span runs out and they move on to something else. That's why you need to use other marketing techniques to supplement your social media marketing and keep selling on Redbubble. One great way to do this is by using tags. Tags help people find your work when they're searching for specific things. So make sure you use lots of relevant tags when you post your work. You can also use keywords in your title and descriptions to help people find your work. So tying in those tags and keywords that you already entered into your Redbubble description, titles, the tag box, that all plays into SEO for Google search and getting your site or your products found. In this case, you're getting your page on Redbubble, which is your shop, indexed by Google, and they are going to find these keywords and now know what those designs that you've uploaded are all about. Search engine optimization is the key to being found on Redbubble. You want to make sure to use the correct tags for your product and make sure that your descriptions are keyword rich. When it comes to Google search, you also want to be sure that your artist shop on Redbubble is well optimized. Make use of keywords throughout your shop. So if there's a consistent theme in your shop and all the keywords align, then more traffic is going to come in through the search engine for your shop based on those keywords, and people finding those type of designs based on those keywords that you've used and peppered throughout your uploading of your designs. When it comes to online selling, one of the most important aspects of a successful campaign is keyword usage. When creating detailed product descriptions, it's important to include just enough keywords so that your products are found by interested buyers, but not so many that the description sounds spammy or forced. Additionally, using relevant tags can help potential buyers find your products more easily. A great way to write effective product descriptions is to think about who your target customer is and what they would be looking for. What are the features and benefits of your product? What makes it unique or different from similar items? How does it solve a problem for the customer? When you can answer these questions, you can then begin to craft descriptions that speak to your target customer and include keywords that will help boost your search engine rank. Creating better designs is key to any successful marketing campaign on Redbubble, especially when selling on Redbubble. When tagging or titling your work, be sure to include keywords that people might use when searching for artwork like yours. Also, take advantage of the site's search engine optimization features to make sure your work pops up in relevant search results. Quality, eye-catching designs will help draw attention and encourage buyers to explore your shop further. By following these simple tips, you can create better designs and increase your sales on Redbubble. Designing for Redbubble can be difficult, especially if you're new to the site. Many people find themselves struggling to make great designs that will sell. If you're still having trouble, try using some of the free designs from Canva. This will help you create something unique and eye-catching that will stand out from the competition. You can mix elements and text and create something original and eye-catching. If you check out the description box below, there is a link to a 30-day Canva Pro trial. Anything you produce within those 30 free days is yours to download and keep, so why not take advantage of that? Also, the 30-day trial includes the ability to save those files as transparent images. So that means that if you're creating a design, instead of having a white background, you can actually get a transparent background and save that so that when you upload it to Redbubble, you can actually see design transparent on t-shirt or whatever you're putting it on instead of having a background color. So that is one feature that's only available if you sign up for the Pro account or if you use the 30-day trial. So you might as well try as many designs as you can and download them from Canva as transparent to upload to Redbubble or other print-on websites. I've never been opposed to promoting my designs through social media, but the majority of my sales come from organic search on Google. I found that tagging my designs with the right keywords can be effective in boosting their ranking in search results. In particular, I've had success using keywords on Redbubble. This has helped me to sell more of my designs as a result, and I've seen a significant increase in traffic to my profile once I started to incorporate proper SEO strategies into Artist Shop on Redbubble. There are a lot of ways to promote your Redbubble store. Social media can be useful in addition to your marketing strategy. Platforms like Pinterest and Instagram are great for photo and video content, which is what Redbubble users tend to share. When creating pins and posts for your store, be sure to use relevant keywords and hashtags. This will help your content show up in search results, and it'll also make it easier for people to find your store. You can also create promo codes to give customers discounts on their purchases in Redbubble. So you definitely want to enable that when you are using social media. Make sure that your customers are getting some sort of discount code that they can use to purchase your item. Now, be aware that those codes can also work for anything purchased on the site. So they might end up buying something from another person on Redbubble. So don't always count that those codes are going to bring you traffic, but it does overall drive traffic to Redbubble. And I guess everyone benefits with the more traffic coming to the site. Make sure to keep your store updated with new products and designs, and be active on social media so that potential customers can learn more about you and your work. Redbubble is a great resource for artists looking to sell their work, but unfortunately it's not enough to rely on the site for all your marketing and selling needs. You'll need to do some advertising for yourself in order to get your work in front of more people. And remember that in print on demand, the more eyeballs that see your work, the better the chance that you will make a sale. Make sure to post your new pieces regularly if you're using social media, and use hashtags so that people can find them. Finally, you can also promote your work on other websites and forums where people interested in art are likely to be found. Print on demand is one of the easier ways to earn extra money on the internet, but it takes a lot of patience to make a great success of it. Don't deceive yourself into thinking that print on demand is a get-rich-quick scheme. To pull it off, it may take many months or years, and it takes a lot of hard effort and consistency. Consistency is everything when it comes to print on demand. The more designs that you create, the more designs that you upload to Redbubble or other print on demand platforms is going to drive eyeballs to those designs and eventually turn into sales. In conclusion, optimizing your shop for SEO can help you gain more sales on Redbubble. It's important to use the right keywords, titles, and descriptions to ensure your shop is ranked higher in search results. By following these tips in this video, you can start to see an improvement in your traffic and sales. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, hope that you can take a moment and hit that button. And if you found today's video helpful, hitting that like button really helps. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, one more thing. If you haven't already checked out the playlists here on the channel, there's tons of videos on how to make money with print on demand. We have tons of videos for Redbubble and some of the other print on demand platforms. So check out those playlists. And if you have any questions on print on demand, don't forget to leave a comment in one of those videos, and we'll make sure to try to get back to you and give you the information that you need for print on demand and your success with the print on demand business.